Thank you for joining us in celebrating the diverse culture of Oklahomans. This video is part of a series focused on cultural heritage. We want to thank all of our community members who shared their cultures with us. Visit Pioneer Library's YouTube channel for more videos like this.
Hello, namaste. I'm Sridhar and I'm associated with India Association of Oklahoma. We have around 2000 families here in towns. As we are here, I would like to tell a little bit about India. India has one of the oldest civilizations I come represent, and it's located in Southeast Asia. It is a multicultural, multi-religious and multi-linguist nation. It is sort of like a mini Europe. World's some of the widely practiced religions, faiths have been born there, like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. These are some of the major faiths that are born there, and there is a big population that practices Christianity and Islam too. In fact, one of the very earliest church and mosque are in India. India, like US, you have a number of different states, and you have around 25 different states. The interesting thing is many of these states have their unique culture, unique language, attire, dressing and cuisine too. Every state has its own speciality. So language also is not dialect, but it can have a different language. And I come from a southern state called Telangana, and then Telugu is the major, that's the native language spoken there. India has a lot of contributions to the world, like now we see yoga everywhere. So India has contributed to yoga, and then the martial arts originated from there, and you have Ayurveda. It's a herbal medicine that's prevalent there, and also zero. That's a big contribution to mathematics. Yeah. So those are some of the finest and noteworthy contributions from India. And these days in the entertainment field, you have Bollywood, so that has a big impact too. India, I mean, there is a huge big population vegetarian. So of anywhere in the world, India has a huge population, majority vegetarian. It's about 25 to 30% that are vegetarian. That's why we have lot of vegetable dishes there. And also it's a agricultural economy. You have about 30 to 40% people employed in agriculture. So there are a lot of people are into eating vegetable dishes. So Bombay halwa, it's like a gummy bear. It's chewy, but it's sweet and really nice. The ghee is basically Indian form of butter. It's an Indian butter. India, we have lot of festivals, so sweets, desserts, it goes along all the time. I mean, kids love it. I mean, this one especially because it's really chewy, so kids really love that. Coconut burfi. In India, in all the festivals, I mean, coconut is one fruit that you offer to the gods. So we have 2 or 3 coconuts that we offer. So once the offering is done, we can take that and make, you can add it to curries and all that, or you can make the sweet, the burfi sweet. The coconut, especially in the south, we have lot of coconut trees, and then it has been a practice for a long time to offer coconuts at all the religious festivals. So that's where, I mean, all the coconuts, you take them, and after the offering you have to take it. So either you can use it in preparing other dishes like cooking, curries and all, or also you can add it to the rice, and it's called the coconut burfi. So those dishes that we talked about earlier, that is from a friend here. She's a local, she's an Indian and is a local here, Oklahoman, and she has her own blog where she has the recipe and how to prepare with video and with all the instructions, ingredients and everything. So I would like to give the website is www.mycookingjourney.com, and then her name is Sandhya. Yeah, her name is Sandhya Ramakrishnan. So it's a nice blog where she put her all those her recipes listed out there.